In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate with NotebookLM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your notebook, adjust its sharing settings, invite the right people, and quickly get a link out to your team so everyone can view it without any confusion. Start by opening NotebookLM in your browser and loading the specific notebook you want to collaborate on. Make sure you're looking at the correct project, since the sharing settings you're about to change will apply to the notebook you have open. Look to the upper right corner of the page for the Share button. It's typically labeled Share and may include a familiar share icon. Click it to open the sharing panel. This is where you control who can see your notebook and how they can access it. In the sharing panel, set the view access so that anyone with the link can open the notebook. You'll usually find this under a section like General Access or Link Sharing. Choosing anyone with the link means your teammates won't run into permission errors when they click the link you send. It's great for fast collaboration, but remember that anyone who gets the link can view the notebook, so only share it with people you trust and avoid posting it publicly. If you want to make sure specific people are explicitly included, enter the email address of the person you want to collaborate with in the field provided. This sends them a direct invite so they can access it right away from their inbox. Double-check the spelling of the email address to avoid delays and consider adding a brief note so they know what the notebook is about. Once your settings look right and you've added the necessary email addresses, click Save. This applies your changes and ensures your collaborators can get in without extra steps. If you prefer a faster route, simply copy the link from the sharing panel and paste it into your team's usual communication channel, whether that's chat, email, or a project board. Since you set the link to anyone with the link and view access, your teammates can open it immediately. That's all there is to it. Open your notebook, click Share, set view access to anyone with the link, add the relevant email addresses if you'd like, click Save, or just copy the link and share it with your team. With these settings in place, you'll reduce permission roadblocks and keep your collaboration moving smoothly.